I'm making a hand sanitizer out of 99% isopropyl rubbing alcohol with hypoallergenic water soluble gel and some essential oils. So I've made some here already. This is the one I'm going to transfer in a bit. I have the containers. So I'm going to be showing you later how to make it. Even if you don't find any aloe vera gel, the fresh ones in the supermarket or the gel form, because I think it's all sold out right now, so you can use this one as a substitute. We have 1 cup of the hypoallergenic water soluble gel, and then I'm gonna put another cup of the 99% isopropyl rubbing alcohol. 1 cup. And then stir. If you want a more gel-like solution, you can add in more of the hypoallergenic water soluble gel. So it really depends on how you want your hand sanitizer to be thick or like watery, because you can use the 99% rubbing alcohol directly into your hands. It's going to dry your hands very quick. It's not good, and it's highly flammable, so it's better to use it with a gel. And once you notice the consistency is good, and then you can get a container like this and pour it in, and that's it. Just cover, and we have our homemade hand sanitizer without the aloe vera gel or the aloe vera, the fresh aloe vera leaf. See, it's good, dry, and once it dries, it makes your hands sanitize and still soft and moisturized. That's it. All good.